tears from falling down. So now you keep on.
This is like a little breakfast patty. It looks like this, so it actually looks like real meat. It smells like breakfast sausage. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking good. Like, I love this for spaghetti. Like, if I'm gonna make some vegan or vegetarian spaghetti, then I love using this breakfast sausage. But I'm just crumbling this up. This right here, I'm just going to open up this little bitty pan and add this corn to it, just because it's, you know, my daughter likes corn in her chili. When I tell y'all with this chili, you will not miss the meat at all, because the little breakfast sausage that you see me put inside of it, it tastes so freaking meaty. Like, it tastes like actual breakfast sausage, and it has like that little sweetness, like that maple sweetness to it. So like, there's so many things that you could do with this. Like, I made spaghetti with that breakfast sausage before, and it was so freaking good. So like, when I tell you it's so hearty, like, just try it. You don't even have to be vegan. I'm not a vegan, but when I feel like my kids are slipping, or if I feel like they're not eating as much veggies as I would like for them to, then I like to make them like little vegan meals, and they don't really know. They don't know. So So yeah, like I give them little vegan meals and they'll eat it up, and they'll be eating like a bowl full of veggies and don't even know because it just tastes so good. So, you know, don't discriminate. Like, try it out. Try it out. And then this is how my chili is looking. Super duper meaty. And then this is what the pot is looking like. That's a really good flavor. I use the same seasonings that I would use on like regular chili. The only difference is I added corn because that's how my daughter likes it, and then I added like the breakfast sausage instead of actual meat. But I like vegan chili better because I don't like chili with turkey, like ground turkey or ground chicken. So until next time, bye guys.